Okay, so it's 11/4, November 4th, 2022. It's 11:10, 11:12, basically. Um, Market seems to be rejecting this high here, so it's in a consolidation area. Seems that it wants to go move down, and I'm still bearish. For some reason, I'm bearish, even though the market has been in a range, big range here from here to there, up at 3800. Moved all the way to 3800 up here, 3805, but then this one is another pivot that was there. It looks to me that this one is kind of like a rejection of these highs. So probably it's a good entry. So what I'm gonna do is to paint okay, let's see. So it seems that it wants to go down. There is some area here that is congestion right there, so it's kind of risky to take it over here. Now if it confirms this one, the 30 minutes wants to go down. So we'll see. I would take this one, but it's probably going to go at least to the VWAP right here. But the market is very slow, so I need some more confirmation about this. I'm gonna give more space to this to see. So yeah, that one could be a good entry. Now the problem is this congestion area, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. It's also in between the opening range. I think that this one can go all the way down to the 50 SMA. Yeah, it seems that it's confirming. Let's wait a little bit more to see if it goes through. Little bit risky. I don't really like it that much. I'm gonna put a order here. Yeah, seems that it wants to. We are right above resistance, so not sure if I want to take this one. Higher time frame is going down. Momentum is starting to go down here as well. So if it reverses, this one is going to move to the upside and form a green candle. It's been rejected on R1 again in congestion. So we'll see if this one continues. It doesn't. So momentum is going to the upside down, or to the upside now. Let's see if we have an opportunity to enter here. I don't really like it. I would like it to go through this area and then probably move to R1, either to the even to the pivot here. And we do have here the VWAP standard deviation down below right here. So let's wait a little bit. It's a little bit slow, very slow, I would say. But a good entry would have been here. Previous high, broke the previous high. Now that it's in the below the previous high, then I feel a little bit more confident to take a short position here. but we have to be patient to see what the market is going to do, and if this one confirms, because if this bar close below this one or start moving harder to the downside, then we should be okay with the trade. There's some support here in this area. Okay, it's moving up. Probably this one is going to start moving all the way up there. So I'm putting 2 contracts being rejected. Still we are looking for short. There's the stack Renko here is red, so that means that all the moving averages are in short or leaning towards downside. Previous high already crossed. So this one could be a range just similar to that one. It seems that it's a little bit shorter, but it's still in this area, so I don't know. Started to move down again, so this one is considered an up down up. So you have down up, and then if it breaks, it's going to probably move to the downside. Still in this congestion area. Patience. Let's see what it does. So I'm looking for a bounce off of the 34 or the 20 or the bounce off of the 18. And it's above the resistance, so it could go higher. I don't see that much confirmation up here yet. Down here in the momentum, I mean. Momentum is doing lower lows or lower highs and lower lows, except for this one here, so it could go up. Let's make it try. Let's see if it tries again to move to the upside. No man's land here. Nothing. Yeah, not confirming. Going to the upside. So this is a congestion area for sure. Look at this diagonal here. Probably is going to bounce. And since the 30 minutes is moving down, I'm not very exciting to take a long here, especially because the stacked Renko is to the upside. I mean to the downside is red. So all the moving averages are. So let's see if we can get a bounce off of the 34. Seems that it wants to go down from there. So an entry would be there, but we have the resistance 1 to the upside. I mean, support. This is a resistance 1, but became support when it crossed it right here. I'm gonna put a horizontal line around this area here. Yeah, it's moving to the, it's consolidating right here above this consolidation area. I'm gonna put it there below the release, below the resistance one. Still bearish in the Renko. Let's see what it does from here. If it breaks above this one, this very similar to a double bottom in a reversal, and it could need to go in. It would need to go above the cloud for me to trust that it's a bullish move. I'm still, red here, red in the cloud, and we are within the opening range. Seems that it wants to bounce. It's bouncing off of this level here, but it's below the previous 30 minutes. So let's see what it does here. Still in the consolidation area. The fast and slow line are moving towards the zero line, still bearish as well. So taking breakouts in an environment like this is not probably a good idea for me, at least. So I'm gonna wait until I get a bounce off of the 34 or the 28. Depends on how it. If it takes it here, I'm gonna let it go. It's still in the range. It's not going anywhere. Probably gonna need to close the video. Let's wait a little bit more. It's 11:25. Well, when the market is this slow, then it's easier to put the order. It's harder though to be correct, because the market is, it seems that it's okay, it's oscillating to the downside now. I like this one, still in the range. Patience. Let's see what it does from here to the resistance level. Oops, it's moving down. Let's look for 30 minutes. Is moving down. Probably it's gonna try to hit either one of these moving averages or the 50. And I'm gonna drop it right one tick below. So if you see here, the marker is 37.70. It's bouncing back up, and it's now right in the middle of this area here. So it's, oops, it's moving faster. I don't have a signal yet. Yeah, crossing the crossing this VWAP, and it's moving back up. That one would have been a good one, but you see the problem there. It's still in the congestion zone if you look backwards. And stop there. Let's see what it does. Still, target could be down here, or down here. Let's see. Yeah, found some resistance here in the bottom part of this channel. And now I like it a little bit more. The momentum is kind of moving down. No entries yet for me. It could have been there, but you saw all the resistance. So let's see what it does from here. Yeah, it found some support here. Now buyers are coming in. We missed this move. It's a counter trend. So, okay. Now if it breaks below this bar here, then we are kind of sure that it's going to go at least to this 50-minute average. Okay, so we do have there. Let's see. So 58. It's already below this area here. See, this. Okay, I'm gonna look for 58.75. I'm gonna put the order right there. 58.75, and see what's going on here. It needs to come. So very easy to take it, and it could go wrong and go all the way. It's a little bit extended already on the momentum, but it's below the VWAP, and it's bouncing off of this 18. We'll see if it trends and move down. Let's see, come on. Okay, I'm gonna take it. It's below this range right here, and probably the next stop is going to be down below right here. So the plan is to trail it and then let it go by itself and on the runner, if we have a runner there. I'm gonna leave it like that. If it takes it, fine. If it doesn't, if it doesn't and go to the upside, then it's a little bit extended already. Good entries have been, the best entry would have been right here, but you know, this one would have been failed. This one was a little bit better. This one is also a bull strap below the VWAP, below the cloud. Okay, let's get it done. Either winner or a loser. What is it? I'm gonna take this one for sure. We're close to the mid of the resistance. It seems that it's gonna take it. Hopefully, it doesn't come back up right away. Okay, it doesn't want it. Slow market. No tempo at all. It's not like it's moving hard. Hopefully it is not doing another range here and keeps moving down. We'll see. So if I'm wrong, I will be wrong right at 37.65. Okay, order is filled. Okay, and I'm gonna move this one. I'm gonna give it more space, and I'm said that I could take this one all the way to the pivot. We'll see, that one would be a good target. There's nothing other than this resistance here. Let's see how it does it. 30 minutes wants to break. It's gonna be in between this one and this one, the trade. And if it crosses, I'm gonna keep going all the way to the to this area here. You know what? I'm gonna put that target right there. I'm gonna probably be wrong. It's moving to the upside, and if it does, then I'm gonna take it again. No tempo in this market. No tempo. Okay, it seems that I'm gonna always think here that I'm gonna be stopped. I don't know but if I'm stopped, I'm okay. So the first what is going to happen here is that I'm gonna move it to break even and remove the. So I'm $225 down. 175. So if it takes the first one, what I will do is to move the up. It's gonna be okay, all or nothing. Momentum is turning to the upside now. Okay, but I'm played. So 200 back to 200, 175. I don't know. It seems, yeah, it's coming back down 0 0 again. 75. Okay, moving, and then it's a trailing there. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disable the auto trail, and I'm gonna do it myself here because I don't want it to lose the. Okay, now I'm break even +1. And I'm gonna let it bounce a little bit and catch the reversal. Now, if I'm using a live account here, so this is own money. But if you're using the if you're using Apex, what you should do at this point is to move your stop above this one, right? Or let it go in the trail. So above this one, right there. I'm gonna leave it like that, just because I don't have the I don't care if it moves, and I already made $200 on the first target. So if it goes back and takes me out, I wanna just stay with 200 now. I would be 200. I would be okay. Probably I'm gonna be stopped out. So you would be safe if you put it there. Okay, coming back down. We'll see. Now the why I took I moved the why I moved the stop. I think it was clear, right? I eliminated the trail stop just because I wanted to give some more space. If not, I would be taken out of here. And since we do have a target down and we are below the opening range, everything seems to be bearish. We'll see. Hopefully, yeah. See, we have one red bar, two red bars, and then this one would be the third one. We're below the previous one, so we should be okay. Now it's moving, and probably the target is going to be this one here. So that is the first target. The value of this is 37.4211. 37.4211. Right around this area. I'm gonna move this this marker. I'm gonna 37.4211. 42.50. 37.4250. And see if it goes to that target. So that would be, so 537 plus 200, $700 so far. Now I could have taken out here and then re-entry here, right? So that would be another option. If you took this one, don't be scared out to enter a new one. Both of them are good. I mean, you are in the in red. And in the direction of the higher time frame, look at here. I do have the 8 Renko as well, and this one is moving down. Okay, now this, I'm gonna move this one a little bit up here above this resistance, mid resistance. So if it goes and touch it again, one tick above or 2 ticks above, then I would be out. And then on the VWAP here, 4250, what I'm gonna do is to move it also. If it crosses, then probably it's going to come back up. So I'm gonna move it as well, but I want to give a little bit of room so it could work as this one as well. So 670, 637. Okay, so hopefully it goes through the 50. It could go a little bit below here and then come back. But it seems that it's, look at this red histogram here. Looks nice. Okay, touching it. So probably it's going to reject it here. So there's two possibilities. I move this one up to take the profit, but what I'm gonna do is to move this one in case it bounces. So one tick above this 4900. I'm gonna be taken out, seems to. And that would be okay. Profitable anyways. I think it still have some more room to go, but look at this. So this one, it's this one is a congestion as well. There's and it's a double bottom right here. Momentum is going down though, so we'll see. On the 30 minutes, I meant. Okay. So 687, 700 plus 200, 650, 637. So plenty of time for you to put the orders and the stops, right? So market is not moving that fast, so so you have time to play with this a little bit. If I'm taken out, I'm taken out. That's fine. This is a profit anyways. So we started up here, right? We started okay, so we started up here. Okay, $200 was right there. Now it moved up and then it kept going down. Now it's in a range now that it's that I marked here as this one is the double bottom right here. So it could go all the way to the PP, to the pivot point, or not. There were two good entrances here. That one here is a break. So after this congestion, you could have taken a bigger risk right up here. Let's see, right up here, or you could take another one right here or right here. Okay, seems that it's moving down. $725, $900 to where we are, right? So we'll see. Then there are some stops right below here. So this one is a congestion area, very, very indicative that it could go there. Now moved another bar below. So $800. Seems that wants to keep moving down. Okay, now where are we? Now it could bounce this at a 42.50, which is the 50 SMA. So what I'm gonna do now, since we have that, is I'm gonna put, because if it bounces, it's going to bounce all the way up here, I believe. But if it keeps going and break this, I'm gonna eliminate this one. Now we see the 50. This one is riskier because you have this big tail here. Okay, so it seems that it's crossing 42.11. Okay. Wants to move down. Let's leave it. And now you see here in the higher chart. Now if it breaks this this pivot below here, then the next target is going to be this low here, or the 2 standard deviation. $900. $925. Pivot point right there in blue. Pivot point. Lower side of this one, there's a breakout of this one. If this happens, I don't want to give up that much. So let's see if it breaks. I'm gonna close it here a little bit. I'm gonna put it there. So $1,200, $1,300 with the first target at 200, right? Okay, keeps moving. Okay, come on. Nice that ES is this slow in trending. We'll see. Nice move, nice move. Come on. Pivot point right here, right in the blue. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna move it above the pivot point right here. Okay, there. $1,200 plus the 200, so it's $1,500. Moved a little bit more. Probably it's going to touch this $1,500. And remember, we do have this line here. I'm gonna put it right above the pivot point. 1400. I would expect after this big move a reaction out of the around this area. Okay, now I'm not willing to give that much more, so I'm gonna start tidying up. I'm gonna start tidying up and see if it meets my target down below here. I'm gonna leave it one tick above, and now I'm gonna stretch it a little bit more. Okay, right there. Do I move it down? I'm gonna leave it there. I think that I'm happy with $1,700 in this move. Come on. Okay, it was failed. All right, so that was the trade. That was the trade. Let's see what it does from here. It's gonna. Oh, here we do have the previous low. A little bit stretchy. Already made a big move, and it's bouncing. Nice. So okay. Okay, I'm happy with that. Probably it's gonna make another leg, but this one is enough for me. All right, so thank you for watching. That was the trade on ES. Thank you so much for watching.